Welcome to our educational channel. From class 9, the chapter 2 is polynomials and factorizations. So polynomials and factorization concept I'll explain. Around 8 skills we have. So complete knowledge about the polynomials, types of polynomials. Again, addition, multiplication, subtractions. So addition, subtraction as well as multiplication in the polynomial concept. Again, factorization with the formulas. So all the basics which are required for class 9th, the basic skills in this chapter I'll explain. And which are the notes I am showing here. No, I am providing the link in description below, that PDF file. You can get it, then by listening this video you can solve the problems. So every page, every skill, 2 to 3 sums I'll explain, remaining you have to practice from that to improve the perfectly in this all the skills in maths, especially this chapter in this video, right? Now let us start one by one. First one, the basic skill in this, you should know the naming the polynomials. Name of the polynomial by degree and number of terms. So number of terms means the term is two terms separated with either plus or minus sign. Now 4n, 4 into n, it's not separated with plus or minus. So this is only single term, only one term it is. And degree of the polynomial is highest power is 1, right? So just degree of the polynomial is 1. This is highest power is degree of the polynomial, but they're asking name each polynomial by degree and number of terms also. So three ways I'll explain. Just this is the single term, only one term, so we can call it as a monomial. And if we have two terms are separated with plus or minus, right? 10x square is one term and 7x is one term. There are two terms, so this is the binomial. There's a two terms binomial, only one term is monomial. And three terms, second example, 5b square is one term, 6b and minus 2. These are the three terms. So this is a trinomial. And more than 3 we can call it as a polynomial. Poly means many. So more than 3 we have the separate name, they are called polynomial. Right. And degree of the polynomial, if you observe, highest power. So this is 2 for this 2, 2 and 2. There is no variable. So degree is the 0 only you can take. Next, number of terms, right? So this here also 1, 2, 3. This is also one term and 3. So these are the names. The basic thing. Especially we should know the addition and subtraction of the fractions. So page number 1 and 2 in this PDF, I am asking about the type of the polynomial. So you can answer that. Then let us do the additions in this page. Addition and subtraction of the polynomials. So to add or subtract, we must know whether they are like terms or not. So the terms must be like terms, which is studied in class 6th onwards. Now 3x square is one term, 4x square minus 6x square. These are all three terms. These three having x square and x square. These called like terms. We can add this all. We can, because minus term maintain the bracket. We can add the like terms. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So 1x square is the result of this. For example, 3x plus 4x square plus 9x. What is the value of this? That means only like terms. Like terms means having the same variable. X. So x to the power 1, x to the power 1. There is no power, it's 1. So these two are the like terms. That means only we can add these both. 3x plus 9x. Just it is a 12x. X is the common. 3x plus 9x is 12x. Next 4x square you can write separately side, because x square and x are not common, not same variables. So we could not add. So this itself is the answer. Right. Now same logic will apply to solve this. 7n cube. So there's a minus symbol in between, before the bracket. First you have to open the expression. That is 7n cube minus n to the power 4 plus 3n minus 8n. Minus into plus, minus n to the power 4 minus to minus plus 5n cube. Now you can see the like terms and I can add it. N cube term 1, 2 are there. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. So 12. 12 n cube is this. These two are over. Now n to the power 4 we have two terms, minus n power 4 minus n power 4. That is minus 2 n to the power 4. Next n terms. Next, okay, these two are separate, right? Next we have plus 3n minus 8n. Same n terms. Plus 3 minus 8, that is minus 5 n you can write. So this is the answer for this. If it is a plus sign between the bracket, no need to open, directly you can add it. X cube terms, 2x cube, only one is there, so just write 2x cube. Next, x to the power 4 we have two terms, minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0, so you can cancel those, no need of writing again. Next we have minus 7x minus x, so that is minus 8x. Next plus 1 is there, one more. So this is the addition of this, right? This is about addition and subtractions. I am giving around more than 15 to 20 questions in this page. Page number 3 and 4 you can practice from that PDF file, right? Now once you perfect with addition and subtractions, next come to the next skill, that is the multiplication of the polynomials. Multiplication of the polynomials. Right, so we have the using formulas we can multiply, and without formulas also. We have two cases are there, I'll explain one by one. In this problem, p minus 4 into 4p plus 6. So this is one expression. 4p plus 6 is also one expression. 2, 4 terms total. So that means first expression with first term, we should multiply this entire expression. That is 4p plus 6, we should multiply it to the first term of the first expression. Now take the second one, minus 4. With minus 4 again the second expression, 4p plus 6, we need to multiply. Right? Take the first term from the first expression, multiply complete second expression. So each and every term we should take from the first expression and keep the bracket of the second. Now we can do simplification, just p into 4p. So 4p square, p into p, no, p square. P into 6, 6p. This over. Now with minus 4 again these both you should multiply. Minus 4 into 4p minus 16p minus into plus minus 4 6, so 24. Now same like addition of the polynomials, so you can use the same method. 4p square is only one term, plus 6 minus 16, so minus 10p common, and minus 24 is there. So this is the multiplication of the polynomials, right? See the one more example I'll show you. Here is the first expression is 7x. So take the 7x. You should multiply this complete second expression. Again take plus 6. Again you should multiply this entire. That means 7x minus 1 should be multiplied to each and every term of the first expression. Okay, take 7x, multiply this entire. Take 6, again multiply this entire. Now we can simplify, you'll get the answer. So 7x into 7x, 7x into minus 1. Individually should simplify. 7x into 7x, 7 into 7, 49. X into x is x square. Again 7x minus 1, so minus 7x. Here also 6 into this and 6 into this. 6 into 7 plus into plus, no, plus 6 into 7. So 42x plus 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Now like terms are minus 7x plus 42x to simplify. So 49x square and last one is minus 6 is same. These two are the like terms. Minus 7 plus 42. How much you get? 35. So x, right? So this is the multiplication of the polynomials. You can continue problem 3 and 4 and in this page remaining all. Even page number 6, 7 also I am giving various type of questions with the polynomial multiplication. You can practice from the PDF file. Right. Next we will see the one more skill in this about the factoring up by grouping. Okay. Factorization. So in the concept of factorization, given expression we should write product of the factors. We should write the product of the factors. So observe the question. Cube power, highest power is 3, 2, 1. There is no power. In that case, check first to any common from next to 2. Because if you take common, you should get the common expression again. 8p cube plus 48p square. Highest common is 8p square, right? Maximum. highest common factor. 8 and 48 is 8. P cube and P square is P square. So one more P is left here, plus symbol. 8 times, how much we get? 5 is 46, 48. Only 6 is left. 8P square into 8P square into 6 is 48P square, right? Plus. Next two terms, highest common is 5. So P plus 6. From 5P plus 30, 5 if you take common, please P plus 6. So when you take common, you should get the same in the bracket. Then only we can take next step, this P plus 6 as the common. Right? Now then 8P square is here plus 5 is here. We take P plus 6 common, then 8P square plus 5 is the remaining. So this is the factoring. Right? Previous method, when they will give product of the expressions, we simplified. Now this simplified one we made as the factors. Okay, same thing you apply even for this next question. I will show here. From first to 2 and next to 2. What is the maximum? 6P square common. So one more P plus 5 is left because 6 5 is 30 P square. And P plus 5 there is no common. No, at that time what we should do? Keep 1 as the common because 1 is the common factor for all. So same P plus 5. Now P plus 5 is the common from the two expressions because this is one set, this is one set. Okay, from this are the two sets, two expressions. P plus 5 if you take common, what will get remaining? 6P square plus 1 is the balance. Okay, this is the answer. P plus 5 into 6P square plus 1. Right? So same way you can apply the combination of the factoring by grouping, even second also, fourth. If you have continuation problems in this page, you can continue. And page number 10 also I am giving similar problems, you need to do that. Right? Now, factor each completely. Okay, when they'll give the expressions like this, what formula we can suitable to apply? We have the basic formulas, that is x square minus y square and x cube minus y cube. Similarly, x cube plus y cube. If we can make the question in this type, so we can write x square plus y square is x plus y into x minus y we can make. Next we have these two formulas. X cube plus y cube is x cube minus y cube is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square for this. X cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square will come here. Okay. First you can prepare the formulas, learn them, then only you can apply in the problems. Okay. Now let us see. For example, you see this question number 2. X to the power 6 minus 8 is there, but we need cubes or squares we require. So what to do? 8, can you write something square? No. But something cube we can make. So this we can write as 2 cube. X power 6 also we should write some cube. What we can cube? We can write is x square whole cube. X power 6, right? X square whole cube and this is 2 cube. So keep in mind x square is first term, this is second, like this is x and this is y, right? Then according to the formula, x minus y is first, that means x square minus 2. Okay, first entire minus second one. Next, x square and the first term square, x square whole square is x power 4 plus first one into second one, 2 into x square plus 2 square 4. Okay, this is the simplification of this. We can make into generalize this formula and apply the formula. Okay, make into convert into formulas. Let us see the second also. We shall explain only first step. 125 we can write 5 cube plus this is m square whole cube. Now a cube plus b cube formula apply. So this problem. Okay, so 5 is in the place of x, m power 2 in the place of y. So position I am writing x cube plus y cube, x plus y. So 5 plus m square. Next 5 square minus 5 into m square plus m square whole square, because y square, no, y plus is m square, whole square is there. You can simplify, that is the answer. 5 plus m square. Next 25 minus 5m square plus m to the power 4. So given expression, we should write the product of the terms, the product of the expressions is called factorization. Okay. Next, we have one more technique when they'll give the three terms, splitting the middle term problems. Okay, this is also important. Previous we have only two terms, we applied formula. If three terms are there, x power 8 minus 26 x power 4 plus 25. First, when you have only three terms, first term coefficient and constant you multiply. So 25. 25 you can write product of the two numbers, but if you multiply 25 should come. Same numbers we do addition, you should get minus 26. So 25 times 1 is 25. But is it 25 plus 1 is 26? Yes, but minus 26 we need. So minus 25 into minus 1 you write. Minus 25 into minus 1 is plus 25. Minus 25 and minus 1 you do addition, you get minus 26. Now what we do? X to the power 8 minus 26 x power 4, I am writing 25 x power 4 minus 1 x power 4. Same middle term we are splitting in this two type plus 25 as it is. Okay, middle term only splitting like this. Now we have the four terms. So starting we did now same method we apply. From first to 2 and last two we can take common. What we can take common from first to 2? X power 8 we can write x power 2. Okay, if I take x to the power 4 common, one more x to the power 4 is there, minus 25. From next two terms no common means minus 1 is the common, because if you take minus 1 only this will become x power 4 minus 25, because minus 2 minus plus 25. Now x to the power 4 minus 25 is the same, then x power 4 minus 1 is here. Okay, next, like previous method you can use even a square minus b square formulas for this set. Still you can factorize this. Still we can do factorization. For example, x power 4 minus 25. No, this I can write x square whole square minus 5 square, x power 4 x square whole square minus 1 square. Now finally we can make this into, first one you can make into product of two terms, second also product of the two terms, a square minus b square formula. That is a plus b into a minus b, x square plus 5 into x square minus 5. X square whole square minus 1 square, no, x square plus 1 into again x square minus 1. So like this you can, how much is possible that much you can simplify. Okay, even 1 you can write 1 square and a square minus b square formula, still we can apply next step. Okay, so that way you can continue this problem. Same we did now previous skill that you can apply. Okay, next we have another type in this page. Previous 17 or 16 pages you can do the same concept like factorization. Next we have last 3 pages regarding simplification by substituting the value. Okay, here is f of m is equal to m power 2 plus 3m minus 6 at m is equal to 3. When m is equal to 3 we have to simplify. So f of 3, wherever m is there, 3 you can substitute. That means m to the m square. So 3 power 2 plus 3m, no, 3 into 3 minus 6. Wherever the letter m is there, you can substitute the values. This is 9 plus 9 minus 6. Okay, 18 minus 6. So 12 is the value. Same way even negative. F of x is this, x is equals to minus 2. So f of minus 2, that means minus 2 square minus 5. Whenever you have the negative sign, maintain the bracket, don't forget. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4 and minus 5, the answer is minus 1. Right? So these are the basic important thing like factorization, addition, subtraction of the polynomials and multiplications is very important. These all you need to practice from the worksheets.